What's going on YouTube? It's been a while, haven't updated, been busy. Two young birds on the ground there. Got two there. Got one dead. I didn't even see that.
Daddy, I touched the egg.
How we looking in here, guys? Bands on, perfect.
I touched the egg.
Two eggs in there.
I touched the egg.
No, baby, you cannot. Got three eggs in there.